How to use Visa gift card in store. Visa Company facilitates electronic funds transfers worldwide, primarily through its Visa-branded credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards. This rectangular thing isn't the actual card, it's the packaging with the card inside, so you have to rip it open and take the card out. You do not need to activate it by calling a number or anything like that. In self-scan checkout, you can use this gift card as your own. Select credit or debit on the screen. Then swipe the card through the card reader. Then select credit on screen. It says approved and the transaction is done. That's it. Thanks for watching.